gorgeous internet friends. For today's video, I'm going to be doing, listen, I keep saying something different because honestly, my YouTube channel is for like me trying out new things that I never did before. So today, I'm actually really excited if this turns out good. I'm not sure, but I'm going to be doing so I got this video idea from Jordan, I think it's pronounced Lipcomsby, on YouTube, and she did a recreation of the Instagram filter that has like the dollars on the face. I'm going to be recreating the filter that has like the cherries on the face or whatever. I think it's called cherry on the cake. So yeah, I'm going to be recreating that. It's going to be very interesting because I never like try to make my lips look plumper, and also I always say this, I have a very shaky hand, so making the circles of the cherries and stuff is going to be very difficult. So today I'm going to be doing that. I think I'm going to go off camera and just do like some basic makeup, like I don't know, whatever like makeup look I like feel like I want to do, and then I'm going to like see what the filter looks like on that specific makeup, because obviously like it looks a little different on whatever like face makeup or whatever your face looks like. So I'm gonna do that, but I think I'm gonna just do that off camera just so like it doesn't take up a lot of the time. So next time I come back, I'll have on like a full face of makeup. So yeah. Okay guys, I'm back. I did my face makeup and I also did like one side with a cherry on it. Guys, I have a stomach ache, like there's too much. I was under too much stress, but actually I think it looks pretty good. Like I'm pretty proud of myself. I think it looks pretty cute. Only thing, in the filter, the cherries are a little closer to like your nose. I'm gonna just do it better on this side, but yeah, that is what it is. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to take the Saharian Blush Palette Volume 2. I'm just gonna take this Real Techniques buffing brush and I'm gonna mix in with Lena and Tao, and I'm gonna like basically put on blush like how I did on this side. I never wear blush, so this was like interesting for me. So now I'm just gonna basically put it right here. I'm going kind of heavy with it just because in the filter you can see it a lot. I'm just blend it up into your temples, but still try to like blend it out so it doesn't look crazy. Now I'm gonna start doing the cherries. So first I'm gonna take, if I'm looking down, this requires me to look down a lot just to like look for my product. So now I'm gonna take this Kat Von D liquid liner, but I'm pretty sure it's almost gone, so if it like starts running out, I'm just gonna take the same thing just because I like how skinny the brush is, and take the e.l.f. cream eyeliner. But first I'm just gonna do outline of the stem, and instead of like putting my hand on my face, I'm actually just gonna take like a beauty blender just so I can hold it here so I'm not like taking away foundation. So you can see what I'm doing better. So now that I did those two lines, I'm just gonna do, okay, so this is kind of a cop out, I'm not even about to lie, but like I said 101 times, I have super shaky hands. So if you have like a stick foundation, I'm just gonna take the cap, I'm gonna take eyeliner, and I'm just gonna put the eyeliner around the cap, and then I'm gonna make the cherries that way. And that's how I did this side. So I'm actually just gonna do eyeliner on it just so the black is more pigmented. See? Ta-da! Okay, now I'm gonna take the eyeliner again and make the little leaves. I messed up because they literally look like cat ears, so I'm just, or bunny ears. I'm just gonna move it a little bit further over and then like cover up the black. So I'm gonna let that eyeliner on top dry before I remove it, because if you let it dry and literally like just scratch it, it'll like flake right off. So now I'm just gonna color in the red of the cherries. Just take any flat brush you have and go in with the any flash palette that you have, but I have the CC Beauty 12 color flash palette like I always say. I'm just gonna take the red and just start filling in the circles. take this NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in Vivid Envy, and I'm gonna color in the stem. Ooh. I'm gonna see if y'all can see that, because that was crazy how much my hand was shaking. Literally, I have stuff all over my hands. I'm stressing about it at this point. So now I'm just gonna take any other flat brush that I have or that you have, and I'm just gonna set the red inside of it, inside the cherries, with translucent powder. And now I'm gonna start on the faces of the cherries. Guys, I'm not even about to lie, I cut quite a lot of corners, which honestly, that's what it's about. If you can find ways to cut corners, it's really like, not cut corners, but like make your life easier, then like, yeah, that's great. So now I'm just gonna take this old eyebrow pencil, but I'm gonna take the other side, which is just a circle. I'm gonna go in with eyeliner and make the eyes on the cherry. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the face on the other cherry, which has like its eyes closed. Right, and I'm actually gonna skip the faces in the like leaves, because that's just, I don't know, it's, my hand's too shaky and the faces are too small. It's just not gonna work. So now I'm gonna do the highlight. Now that the cherries are done, we just have 2 more things to do, which I'm pretty happy with the way that these look, besides the fact that they're like in 2 different places, but I'm not even stressing about it. I'm just gonna let it go. So now I'm gonna do faux freckles, which I also never did before, so this is going to be super interesting. I'm gonna take an eyeliner brush. I'm going to go into the brown in the CC Beauty palette. I'm just gonna try to create some little freckles. And you can press harder on some and just use like the tip of the brush for some of them, because freckles like look different. And I'm just looking at a picture that I have for reference, just to see like sort of the layout of the freckles. I'm gonna take a beauty blender and just tap these like on the faux freckles, just so it looks more blended into my face and not like basically what I did, which is take an eyeliner. You're just gonna want to tap it. And now I'm gonna just take the Warrior palette, just because like literally that's what I have sitting here, and I'm gonna take More Me, which is like the middle shade in the palette, on a flat brush. I'm just gonna heavily highlight my nose, just because that's what it looks like. It looks crazy, but literally that's what the filter looks like. I'm pretty happy with the way that this is looking. So now I'm gonna pick a lipstick shade and then try to like basically make my lips look plumper and like kind of overline them. This is gonna be interesting because I never did this before, and also I'm not like, I don't do lipstick that often, so yeah, let's see. So I don't have many lip liner pencils, but I do have like a few. So I'm just gonna take this one by MAC, and it's Plum. And Jordan's video, and also like just a thing I guess that's about lip plumping, that you're not supposed to like fill these like the sides, you're just supposed to do the middle. As I'm waiting for this to dry, I'm also gonna take another NYX liquid lipstick in Sandstorm. I'm just gonna put that in the middle. Okay, and I'm gonna let that dry, and then I'm gonna put gloss on top, just because I feel like gloss makes your lips look plumper. So yeah, if my lips look horrible, I mean, it is what it is. I feel like it does make it look a little bit plumper. Yeah, I'm gonna put on gloss, wait for this dry, put on gloss, and then put on some lashes, and then come back, I guess, for the final look. Okay guys, so I put on some lashes, and also I added some highlight. I know it looks crazy, but literally if you look at the filter, I don't know, it just makes you look so good. I don't know, like you look like a doll or what, but like yeah, they put highlight literally everywhere, so that's just what I did. I put on some gloss, and I feel like it definitely does make my lips look bigger. I'm pretty happy with the way this look turned out. Like, it looks really cool. I honestly didn't think I would be able to do anything close. I know it doesn't look perfect, but I didn't think that I would be able to do anything close to the way that this looks, just because of my anxiety. It makes my hands super shaky, and it's just like, ugh, I feel like I can't do anything creative. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way that this turned out. I kind of want to do other Instagram filters. This is like the one I use all the time. I also use the butterfly one, but I know for a fact that I am not going to be able to do butterflies. I just know I'm not. Like, I'm not an artist. I literally just, I don't know, I feel like that's gonna be super hard. But yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I like have been in the mood to film more, and like, yeah, so hopefully I filmed a whole bunch of videos. I'm gonna edit them, and I'm gonna try to post at least twice a week, if not twice, definitely once a week. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.